My research is focused on studying degeneration of cartilage in the spine and in joints like knees. Fundamentally, the treatments for joint disease have always relied on implants made of plastics and metals. And while those implants work well for some period of time, as people live longer, we're realizing that those implants don't do enough. So our goal is to make living biological replacement joints. It's important for people to know that supporting research is not just for the people who do the research. The research has impact on all of our lives. I think about my parents, I think about my grandparents, I think about my neighbors. Healthcare affects everybody, and research is our way of improving healthcare. I'm Dr. Chahine, and orthopedic research means better tomorrows.